How to add your email account to Outlook.com, formerly known as Hotmail. Hi there! In this video, we're going to talk you through adding an email account to Outlook.com. This method can be applied to an email account from any mail provider. However, in this tutorial, we will provide the specific settings for 123Mail as well. Right, let's get to it. To begin, log on to your Outlook account at www.outlook.com. Click on the gear icon and then select More Email Settings. Under the Managing Your Accounts menu, select Your Email Accounts. Now select Add a Send and Receive Account under the Add an Email Account menu. In the name field, type in your name how you'd like it to display to others when they receive your emails. Type in your email address and password for the account you wish to set up, then click Next. Please note, Outlook is now setting up your account, which can take up to a few minutes. Outlook may not be able to find your correct settings. This isn't uncommon, so don't worry. If this happens, begin entering them below. To be able to view your email on Outlook.com, you will need to add the incoming server details. Outlook.com allows you to add your email account using the POP3 email protocol. POP3 downloads your mail as you view it on your email client. It is great for users who only want to access their mail from one email client. Outlook.com does not let you use the email protocol IMAP, which allows you to sync your email across multiple clients. Now we need to enter the server address. If you are using 123Mail, then enter pop.123-reg.co.uk. If you are using another mail provider, you will need to enter their server address details. It is common practice to try pop.yourdomain.co.uk and then simply replace yourdomain.co.uk with your own domain name. Please be aware that this does not apply to all providers. We therefore recommend that you check with your service provider for their specific server settings. Right, now that's over and done with, you will need to change the port number to 995 and ensure that the Requires a Secure Connection SSL option is ticked. This means that encryption has been set to provide security when accessing your email account. You can now decide whether or not you would like to leave a copy of your retrieved messages on the server. If you'd like to keep a copy of each message Outlook.com retrieves in your other email clients, then tick the Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server box. This way, you can access your mail on alternate email clients as well as in Outlook.com. Please note that this option does not sync your mail. So if you delete an email in your Outlook account, it may still appear if you choose to view it on another email client. If you'd rather delete copies of messages that Outlook.com retrieves, then leave this option unticked. This will mean that any emails downloaded to Outlook.com will not be able to be viewed on other clients. For this tutorial, we will tick the Leave a copy of messages on the server box. Now enter your username. For 123Mail, this is the email address for the mailbox you are setting up. If you are using an alternate email provider, check with them for what your username should be. Next, type in your password for the account you wish to set up. Under the Outgoing SMTP Server Information section, you can specify whether or not you want your email recipients to see your Outlook address when sending email. Selecting Send Emails using your Outlook server means that email recipients may see your Outlook.com address when you send an email from the account you are setting up. Choosing Send Emails using your provider's server means that your Outlook email address will be hidden from emails sent using your newly added email account. You may want to select this option if you are using this email address for business use, as it looks more professional. For this tutorial, we will select the Send Emails using your provider's server option. To be able to send your email through Outlook.com, you will need to add the outgoing mail server address. For 123Mail, the server address is smtp.123-reg.co.uk. If you're using an alternate mail provider, try using smtp.yourdomain.co.uk as the outgoing server address, replacing yourdomain.co.uk with your own domain name. Although this is common practice, it doesn't apply to all providers. As with your incoming server address, we recommend you check with your mail provider for their specific outgoing server settings. Okay, we're nearly there now. The next step is to set the port to 465 using the drop-down menu and ensure the Requires a Secure Connection (SSL TLS) option is ticked. This ensures that encryption has been set in order to provide security when accessing your email account. Also make sure that Use the same username and password to send and receive emails is ticked. This means that you will not have to enter your username and password again for your outgoing server settings. Now click Next. If you click Next and see a message at the top of the page stating that there's a problem connecting to your POP3 mail server, then please check that you have entered your details correctly and try again. You can now choose where to save your emails for your newly added account. You can select a new folder just for your newly added email account or an existing folder such as your inbox. Then click Save. Outlook.com is setting up your account, which can take up to a few minutes. That's it. Your email account will now be set up and added to Outlook.com. You will now be able to send and receive emails using your newly added email account. To begin, click on the blue Go to Your Inbox button. When sending a message, remember to select your new email account from the drop-down menu. Thanks for watching. If you require further help or assistance, please visit our support site at www.123-reg.co.uk/support.